Hi everyone, here's my recipe for some delicious cilantro peanut noodles. This dish is so quick and easy to make, you're gonna love it. So let's get cooking. The dressing is everything, and here's how to make it. Add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce to a 1/4 cup of seasoned rice vinegar. Then add 4 cloves of garlic, 4 slices of ginger, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and the most important part, you want to add 2 cups of roughly chopped cilantro, including the stems, and whiz that all up. Now to put everything together, cook 400 grams of your favorite noodles, I'm using soba noodles, and add 1 cup of shredded red cabbage, 1 cup of julienne cucumbers, 1 cup of julienne carrots, and I have 1 cup of shelled and boiled edamame. Now pour your dressing all over and mix, mix, mix. Our cilantro peanut noodles are now ready. I'm just gonna garnish with some thinly sliced scallions, a couple of cilantro leaves, some black sesame seeds, and some crushed peanuts. So healthy, so good. Here you go.